9 reasons or just reasons as to why CBP can deny you entry in the United States. We're going to talk about it because somebody asked a question about if I have advanced parole, am I going to be denied entry? Well, you may, because advanced parole is not a guarantee that you can re-enter the United States. It even says it on the application itself. It says clearly that it's not a guarantee. That's not guarantee re-entry, okay? So then you have to cover your bases. That's why we're going to talk about those reasons as to why. I don't know if there are 9. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I got 9 reasons. Yes, let's get right into it. You already know my name, Bijoux, Ngwanda, immigration lawyer in the DC metropolitan area. If you're new to my channel, my friends, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing, and please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, you go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. Links are in the description box below. By the way, we were in Ohio last week to defend our applicant, actually to assist them on the interview. It's a form of defense because we had to prepare them for the interview. And somebody has asked me the question, if my VAWA has approved, am I still going to be called for a green card interview? My friend, it just depends. It depends on your facts. It depends on what they're trying to do to accomplish with that interview. It depends on your previous marriage history too, because if there's some allegation of fraud, chances are they're going to call you for that interview, okay? When it comes to VAWA being approved, right? And what are they looking for? They're looking for credibility. They're looking for assurance. They were looking to verify information on your previous marriage, especially to really go to the bottom of line on those fraud allegations, if you have any. And not to mention, they are not required to ask you questions about abuse. They can ask some of it, but they're not really required to go deep into the VAWA, because at that point, they no longer have jurisdiction over that VAWA petition. So we went there. We hope we did well. We're just waiting for the result. You will be updated, or you'll be posted. I keep posting. I'll keep telling you. Once we win, of course, we are so positive. Let's get right into it. Reasons CBP can deny you entry. And by the way, once CBP just has reasonable suspicions, they just suspect something, just know that they might search your person, your belonging, and anything that you have, right, which is belonging. They might search it without even probable cause. Why? Because your right to privacy does not prompt the right for national security. In other words, national security is always above your right for privacy. That's why they might search your phone, your person, and yourself, okay? So let's get right into it again. Number 1, lying, misrepresentation. We just spoke about misrepresentation and fraud. My friend, CBP can deny you entry just because of misrepresentation. As a matter of fact, they deny some guy from Canada because of misrepresentation. Okay, number 2, criminal inadmissibility, felonies, crimes that really requires you to actually file for for a waiver first. Yeah, they might deny you entry based on that. Insufficient funds, that's for visitors, right? Specifically for visitor or student visa, you got to show funds, you got to show money that you're going to be able to support yourself. But if you don't have enough, they might deny you entry. Medical inadmissibility, because of some contagious diseases, they might deny you entry. They might deny you entry for suspicious activities, okay? They might deny you entry for drug use. If you use drug, They might deny you entry for intent to work. They might deny you entry for improper document. You have false document. They might deny you entry for because of previous denials. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about this thing, right? If they deny your entry for maybe intent to work, okay, or something else that has to do with misrepresentation, sometimes they'll give you an option to withdraw your application, and it's better for you to withdraw it. At that point, it's like it's never happened, right? However, if you want to reapply, permission to reapply, remember using the form 212 for permission to reapply, you have to really give it some time, lapse of time, change of circumstances, you know, or rehabilitation has occurred, something around those lines, before you just jump into applying for the form 2112 to be readmitted again. So yeah, so that's my advice to you when it comes to being denied entry. Sometimes it's just a mistake by CBP. We can call the airlines, we can call CBP and try to figure out what went wrong. But if they deny you based on, remember they have sole discretion, right? If they deny you based on those other stuff that requires waivers or 212, permission to reapply or something else, then really give it some time, try to work it through before you jump into reapplying, okay? If you need a consultation regard to that, because I've tried to help some people from Canada, because, you know, they can get in here and go back, but they got denied entry too. So we try to help them out. Yes, you can schedule a consultation, my friend. Consultation link is in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.